she's talking about Delulu, talking about she want to whip my ass and she gonna fly here. And I'm thinking, you got all this energy to fly here to whip my ass, but have no energy to fly here so that your fiance or husband can meet his child. It doesn't make sense. Now, again, I hadn't responded to the latest email. My sister had been responding to her. I had blocked her. I hadn't responded yet. And I wasn't going to say anything on social media because it felt like no point. But then when she reached out to my sister, it changed the whole dynamic of the situation. So I was like, now I have to like speak up. You know what I mean? And that's okay. You know what I mean? Like how I want to handle it, no one can control how I handle it. No one gets say in how I handle disrespect. Like once you disrespect me, you have no say in how I respond to that shit. You understand? You have no say in nothing I'm doing at this point, right? So fucking I respond. I do a live stream yesterday. And then I start trying to look into this woman myself because I never tried to see who she was as a person. And remember, me and my sister was talking about what kind of person she could possibly be. You know what I mean? I never really like tried to get to know who she was, right? And she, all this time she'd been trying to get my attention, and I was like, I don't want to talk to you. Like, no. Like, if it ain't got nothing to do with my son, what the fuck? So anyway, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna Google this motherfucker. So I Googled shit, and I started just looking for her and see if I could find out where she lived, find out what her phone number is, find out if the phone number that she sent me matched the phone number in the background check. I just basically started doing a background check on this bitch. So come to find out, she has a son, right? A 21-year-old son who was basically shot multiple times, and he now has like disability himself, and she posted a GoFundMe for him. Now, mind you, I already got a GoFundMe for me and my son because, of course, I need to pay for my room, and I don't even know if I got enough money yet. Hold on. Where's my phone? Don't forget to please send me $5, $10, something, because I got to pay for my room. Where's my phone? Let me see how much money I got. Hold on. If you want to help, please help, because I got like another hour before I have to pay for my room, and all I got is $67, I think. 67, something like that. Yeah, if you could donate to me, please help if you could help, because I need to pay for my room, and I don't have enough money for my room, so I need like help. Like, please just help me, because I only got I think I need about, it's $150. I think I have $72. I know the trolls aren't gonna help. The only way the trolls help is they come in the chat and say something mean, you know what I'm saying, stupid, off the you know, crazy. Yeah, I have $73. I need $150. So if you could like cash at me like $5 or $10, something, please do, because I really need it. And if you can't help in that way, just at least thumbs up the live stream. Hold on, let me see. I don't know why she would reach out to my sister. For the people who asked it, I don't know why she did that. Because I guess because I was ignoring her. So usually when people are trying to reach out to me and I ignore them, especially when it's trolling, it's usually a toxic people thing. Like regular people don't do that. That's something toxic people do. So if they can't reach out to me and they can't get me to pay attention to their fuck shit, they reach out to my family. And that's a problem. That's been a problem for years. It's not nothing new. Okay, this is something we've been dealing with as a family. Like, they reach out to my mother, they reach out to my sister, they reach out to my friends, they reach out to my cousins, they reach out to everybody, anybody they can find, because they're trying to convince the people that's in my family, you know, something negative about me, or they're trying to find more, you know, private information about me. And I'm a pretty private person, even when it comes to my family. Like, the transparency I have on social media is still a lot of shit y'all don't know about me, because I keep it to myself. But for the most part, I try to share as much as I can without like invading my privacy and the privacy of my family. You know what I mean? My family's, you know, the family I do connect with is very important to me. And it's just mainly my sister, my daughter, my mother, you know what I mean, and my son. You know. So anyway, so I Googled Delulu, and I found out Delulu, her son got shot multiple times sometime at the end of last year, where somebody came into their house and robbed her and her family. But her son came downstairs because he heard something, and he came downstairs and he got shot multiple times by their cousin, right? So I saw the GoFundMe. So me being the kind of person I am, I was like, oh my God, this is so sad, because she needed more money for him to get through his recovery. Right. And I think she wanted like $11,000 and she was at like 6,000. Right. So I took the link and I posted the link onto my Facebook page. Right. Because I was like, I think, like people give me donations all the time because I'm in need. You know what I mean? Like I only need, I need significantly more than what she needs right now. But at least if I could find somebody that'd give maybe $100, maybe $50 to her just to help her situation, because it's a really fucked up situation. Like it's really, if you go look at the link's still on my Facebook page. But she, I posted it because I really felt bad. Now that's the type of person I am. And I don't feel like because she, been harassing me and saying negative stuff and doing ugly things towards me that I should take that out on her son. I would never do no shit like that. I just felt real, real bad. So I sent the link to my mother and I was like, Mom, I'm going to post her stuff on my Facebook page. My mother was like, bitch, you better than me. She was like, bitch, I'll never fuck that. I said, Ma, I can't, that's mean. Like, I see, like, I don't know why she would see me going through what I'm going through. Delulu would see me going through what I'm going through and think it made sense to be reaching out to me, making fun of me because I need help with my room. Because inside the email, she was like making fun of me for needing help with my son. And I'm like, this bitch got to GoFundMe out with her son struggling. Her son damn near died. Her son is basically disabled now because he was shot like multiple times, a lot. And she emailing me like, what is that? Like, girl, you need to be focused on your son. Forget me. Like, girl. And I was in my head, I was just like, I can't even believe that this woman is doing this, right? And my mother was like, you a better woman than me. You a better woman than her. Because ain't no way, like, you would be in the situation she in and worried about another bitch. Like, it's just no way. I'm like, yeah, ain't no way. I can even be focused on that. Like, I'm so focused on my son now. Like, I can't. Anyway, so I posted her GoFundMe link. So then my sister hits me up. And my sister is like, thank you for whoever just sent me some donations. Thank you. Because I said I needed more. I got $40 more over top of the 70. So that's 70, 80, 90, 100, 120. Thank you. I need like $20 more. Okay. But then I got to figure out how I'm paying for the room tomorrow. Just say what you can, because I still got to pay for the room tomorrow. So I'm going to come back on here and ask for donations tomorrow because I still got to pay for the room for tomorrow. And then I think, what's today? 27th? I think the first hopefully I'll get my government benefit so I can use at least the $214 that they send me to pay for my room for 2 days. Because that's what I usually do with the cash aid that they send me. If they send it, because they didn't send it this month. I don't know what's going on with cash aid and government assistance. That shit is just, might have something to do with Trump. But anyway, so I just felt so bad that I posted her GoFundMe. My whole bad. Sorry. Okay. Oh, you know this person. You know this person. Some people send me $500, some people send me $200. But when you see me say thank you for like $500, it's because that person could have sent me that a month ago. I just keep thanking them. I keep thanking people over and over because I know how much it takes to send $500. You know what I'm saying? Like that's why I say thank you. I thank you. So the last person that sent me $500 was probably like a month ago. But I keep saying thank you on my Facebook page. Like I keep saying thank you to people because I'm very grateful. Like you guys don't understand. I'm very grateful for when people help me. Like you don't understand. I'm not an ungrateful person. I'm a very humble person. So I just keep saying thank you over and over again because I'm just grateful. Like I'm just so happy that people help me. You know what I mean? Like I appreciate that. But yeah, I didn't know you knew Delulu. Miss Monique, you knew Delulu? She begging trolls to keep making. I bet she does. That's so weird. Oh my God. Look, you know Delulu? Okay, well, anyway, Delulu. So anyway, I see Delulu's son. And I'm like, oh my God. So anyway, my sister texted me. This is what I was saying. My sister texted me and said that she showed me screenshots. And she showed me screenshots of Delulu mad because I posted her son's GoFundMe link. Now, mind you, I hadn't responded to her email yet. I just made a live stream. I did my background check on her, and then I found out about her son, and I immediately posted her GoFundMe link because that is just terrible. Like, this happened at the end of the year last year. This shit is awful. Like, I would not want that for anybody. Like, I'm gonna keep him in my prayers because that's just sad, right? And I told my sister before Delulu sent her the screenshots, I had already told my sister that she had a GoFundMe link because I sent my sister the GoFundMe link too. So I was sending it to everybody like, hey, if you can donate, please donate, right? I don't know if anybody donated, but you know, that's what I do. I just thought I could help, right? And so that's what happens. Like, when you genuinely want to help somebody, you help them. Like, you don't sit there and think about it. You just be like, oh shit, you know. And I saw what she went through, and I was just like, oh my God, it's sad to me. Like, it hurt me. Like, I felt like sad. So anyway, so my sister sends me a screenshot, and she says Delulu's mad. And so I'm looking at the screenshots, and Delulu mad. Right.